Hi, I'm Neil at Italia Autos, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a centre console from an Alfa GTV. I'm going to start by removing the armrest. You just need to undo 4 Phillips screws. Some of them are rather small, so you may want to get a small screwdriver. There's 2 here. And now there's 2 screws normally here. One of them is missing in this one, so we'll just undo the last one. Again, you could do with a stubby screwdriver to do this, but you can get in with a longer one. And then close the lid and then just lift it up and out of the way, and that's how you do the first part. Next part, we're going to remove the ashtray, which just pop it open, lift the innards out, and then inside you should see a little Allen key, which we need to undo. And that should pop out. Just pull it out gently, because you do have a electrical connection there to remove for the bulb. That should just wiggle out the way. Next part, we just need to prise out these controls here, just with a screwdriver gently around the outside. And out that comes with one electrical connection on the back. Just push the tab in and out it comes. And next we now need to remove the gaiters. Just pop the press stud off. Then it is clipped at the top and at the bottom, so you can just push it forwards. From the top or the back it should come loose. There we go. And again with this here, undo the press stud and give it a firm tug, and off it comes. Next we've got a couple of Phillips screws to undo. There's also on the side carpet pieces as well, there are 2 screws in there. More Allen keys to undo, another one here by the handbrake. 2 back here. And another one underneath where the ashtray was. Okay, almost the final part is just to remove this cover from down below here, and that should reveal 2 more nuts. I think they're 8mm. Okay, 2 8mm nuts in here. Okay, centre console is now ready to come out. We've undone everything. The only thing left to do is going to be an electrical connection, which is this one just here. Now the console should be free. Just pull it up from the back, lift it over the handbrake, and out it comes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.